Here is your catch up for the week on Smoke and Mirrors.
But it doesn't rain, it pours. Now it's pouring cats and dogs. Oh, Mr. Mayor, he thought to himself if he got the 20 million that was outstanding or that goes under mismanagement or that was falsely allocated, he thought that maybe, just maybe, if he paid back the money, then that means he's clean. Sasemsulo zaqhubeka nokuba umeya wase-ebumnyameni, but it looks like not really, because now for some unknown reason there was a gathering that happened and they decided to vote him out. This happened soon after he called umhlangano webandla ukuthi lalelani leyo mali leyo kuthiwa ayikho seyikhona manje bizani abo accountant. This was on a phone call with one of ama offices lawo beka investigator, so yabatshela ukuthi ngicela nibiza ama accountant wenu ba check bank balance lapho imali seyikhona, and then akhona mina ngumuntu straight or right. The bottom line is ngulo muntu loyo onga thathi izimali zabantu. So then he decided to call a quick meeting. He called abantu basemnyameni for an urgent meeting to tell them ukuthi lalelani le mali nathi mina ngiyitshontshile ikhona, so relaxani ningasalibi nikhuluma ngegama lami nihamba nifafaza amanga, ikhona le mali. So njengoba nje ngimsulwa ke kusho ukuthi yena ngisazoba umeya wenu othembekile while he was still giving his pride and lousy speech. Ngena ama texting, and then everyone was on their phone. Now he then said ukuthi yazi angithandisisi ukuthi when I'm addressing you njengomphakathi wami you guys are all on the phone, what is going on? Bese kena uMartha naye uyayithola that notification which says ukuthi Mr. Mayor has been removed as a mayor of ebumnyameni, so it means that uphumile. Then he takes the phone and check, and then he realized ngagubi kampela, and he did not know about that. Now it's like, no, ningahambi nivuma yonke into ekhulunywa la ngaphandle, abantu banamanga yazi, people lie a lot, this is just fake news. Athi again it's not fake news. Kahle kahle babizile umhlangano wamakhansela lana bayenza i-vote of no confidence wena ungazi, so uvotelwe out ke baba. Injalo, you are the only one that doesn't know, and umphakathi knows. I foresee this guy calling Nuka, I'm telling you. And nizothi angintshela, and when I come back ngithi ngantshela, you guys are gonna say mina njani nizothi angintshela. I foresee him calling uNcuka ukuthi lalela hayi ungathi lento wayikhuluma seyenzeka manje, there's no way. And him afonela uNcuka, this is gonna be on a nyonyobing style. He's not gonna publicly do it because uMartha said we are not going back there. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima Dekwana, sanibonani, abusheni, molweni, minjani, yipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nogrwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ekumakoroshula samsaka ngikahle, looking at the fact that somebody, they gave her a job. And then a week in, seraqala uyatoyitoya ngifuna itoilet lami, ngifuna i-changing room yami, power for abantu besifazane abanakwa lana, ungathi thina sibo abantu njanjani kwasha wacima. Uthayini ke lo, the same time bekancenga umsebenzi, the same time bekafuna ukuveza amabele for uteam, the same time lo abamncengela umsebenzi le kulabaphathi abakhulu sekadotoya ke manje. 1 week in, everybody else has been working for the longest time and they've never toitoya even one day, but Tiny, a week in already, now she's putting her demands on the floor. Now this got Tim very frustrated, and he was like, you know what, if it was me vele bengizoyisola awu angeke abengizoyisola ngempela. Lothu umuntu emsebenzini manje sawenza kanje ahlambalaza phambi kwabantu, akakhuluma ugele, akazenzela umathanda ugele, phatha ngiyagula, phatha kwama pain, phatha abantu besifazane but when she got there she knew vele ukuthi umsebenzi lo wamadoda and it's heavy enough. And beside uThayini une history yokungasebenzi, asebenza umlomo. You remember she used to work le Kamatha hotel. Did she survive? No. akavele ayenze i-YouTube lo uthini because ayikho into ayokhuluma akakwazi ukusebenza mangasebenzi la ukhuluma ngomlomo hayi cha. So manje uTim was like, no, I'm done, I'm tired of this shenanigans, so kushuthi uzodecide ukuthi wenza kanjani. And akhona ukubonisa ukuthi ukwatile uTim bathe mabahamba bashayisa hayi uTim was not even interested ukuthi ahambe naye. On the other hand, sikhuluma boma Cape Town, boma Witwatersrand and stuff, uMillie is back. She says that she wants to come to highlight the parents before aya ko varsity before dikolo di bula o tshwanetse gore a tlo o dumedisa setswadi gore bathong le shapona bianong bothata ke gore when she get back hawa a shifa ba mo file responsibility ya gore bona re kopa o re thuse ka kaise gore kaisa ska ya go Cape Town. But unfortunately the messenger was not messengering because upalletse go beya taba and then kaisa already picked it up gore ha ba o rumile. And if you remember, Baba Itu never seen a relationship with Sharp. So with her being this tumiwa thing, it might jeopardize the relationship between Ukaise and Umile. But then Umile went back and gave the mother feedback. Horbona kizamile marahawa. So now, which means that these people should just let her be. At some point, I foresee her changing her mind or maybe going there, which is not the glitz and the glam that I thought I actually want to go home. But yeah, they must just allow her good times. Afunde from Warner because I feel like they want to good angayenzi puta. And if she does not make amaputa, she'll never learn. I remember there was a saying that regudanga madondo. So you have to have madondo so that you can guda. You see? So anyway, on the other hand again, Miss Martha is willing to pay for whatever that Kaisa wants, but she is asking that Kaisa reconsider going there. And I'm just glad you must do this for yourself, not for anybody else, and just make sure that when we're helping out whatever decision that you're going to do. Well, mfundisi no mfundisi, when they saw Umile walk in, they were like, oh, sasazaphele inkinga zethu nkosi yami, because if Umile akhona, at least bukhona ithemba. But it looks like the temper was short-lived, because tell me why now the interest level is on 0. Anywho, on the other hand again, Mr. Mayor going back to him, meeting it did not phela kahle because umphakathi is not interested in anything that he has to say, and they were busy making a hoo-ha ukuthi hayi unamanga wena wavele kwavuka havoc. I think kuzofika la bazomshaya khona lo baba, because what do you mean? They're not even interested in listening to what he's saying. But the question is, why are they still even attending the meeting? They should just let him have the meeting by himself. I mean, this is embarrassment after embarrassment after embarrassment for Umata, because every day they're meeting yabo iphela snacks, man. Every day iphela snacks. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. I really appreciate you coming to my channel on a daily basis. Please do give the video a big thumbs up and leave your comment. I love hearing from you. Every dog has its day, so they say. This is happening to Jackson. I think his day has come. From beginning of time, we've watched Jackson taking over and speaking to everyone however he wants to, ruling everybody, taking people pillar to post, shaking the atmosphere, and him being the lord of the entire story, who doesn't even care who he offends, but at the end of the day he has been dingling money to everyone else, and everything has to go according to his way and his will. Now the tables have turned. As per the comment, every dog has its day, and today it's Jackson's day. I thought I'll never see a day where Jackson has to call people and beg
He has been calling almost everybody, even the security in the ground floor. He has been calling them and reminding them how he has been good and kind to them. How about his attitude? Can somebody remind him that he has been a very mean person? Oh, nobody's gonna remind him because ain't nobody had time for him. Now, this comes soon after he just realized that he was demoted. He got a phone call and he was asking why was he demoted and why did he get to find out this from Mapepandaba instead of an official communication that would have come through the proper channels. But no, it has to be out there on the newspapers and everybody has to see it. And then they told him that we've been talking to you, it's just that you were not listening, and at this point in time we decided that to make matters public. And then he said, but I thought that we had a communication, I thought we had an understanding that if I pay back the money then everything goes away. But no, Baba, we don't play like that. We are not doing that thing. We are not doing that circumstance. No, you are going to be demoted from being a mayor to just an ordinary councillor that has no power, no position. Which means that your position as a councillor does not add any value or subtract value. Tata! Nadia! Yo! Yes, I thought I'll never see this day come. But I still, Nizot and Njalang, I still think that he is going to go to his backup plan, which is Unguga, because now the chickens have come to roost. Now, he got an SMS saying that we need to talk, and this is from my pushback Eskel. Remember the one that he gave the hotel to so that I bambe just in case? Yes. First of all, he does not have money right now to give him the 10 million that he borrowed back. That is one. Two, the hotel is at stake, right? And remember the conversation between him, Martha, was that he is taking the hotel just so that, right? The hotel was not even part of the negotiation to say that if anything goes wrong, then we're taking the hotel. He did not disclose that information to Martha. All he said was that, okay, can I have the hotel so that I put it there and then take the money so that we pay this big skoloto from the municipal now. And thereafter, when we make some more money, we pay back the 10 million and then get the hotel. He did not disclose the fact that the hotel is going to be a replacement should he not be able to pay. That part of conversation did not happen between him and Martha. And I think it's going to be inkinga for him. Oh, I am so happy. I am so happy. And which means that if he has to go back to Nguka, then it means that he's going to be Nguka's puppet. He's going to do the worst scenario ever. Ew, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima dekwana, sanbonan, abshin, molweni, minjani. Hifukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nona kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors kuma korosula astamsekangi kahle looking at the fact that Utini got a job, but she has already bumped the cherry picker. Is it a cherry picker? What's that thing that she bumped? Yeah, she was not supposed to be driving it because first of all, she does not have e-license. Second of all, when she's driving it, she's supposed to be driving it under supervision, and that's not what she's doing. Then now, Mfundisa Velati Khatakosin, she was fired. So I don't know if Umfundisi is still gonna think about this properly, but he said that you are fired. Yo. You just found a job. It's the same thing that I was saying yesterday, that she never excels in any job that she takes charge of. Every day la yakhona, every day uyamosha uyancengela ke uthi ayinathi Nkosi yami ngiyadinga lo msebenzi bengicela nje ninizwele ushele shwele ngiyashweleza ngiyacela. But Umfundisi is very upset with Tim as well, because Tim was instructed from the inception that he must supervise, but he's not supervising. Letting Utani go alone, that was a dismissible offense. Anywho, it looks like Witwatersrand has won because Ukayise decided that she was going to accept one of the offers that she was given, and which is Witwatersrand. This is when she says that she have considered all the possibilities and considered everything, circumstances around her moving to Cape Town or a goalie. But then now she said, instead of Jabulisa Bajali, I had to look at the reality myself, and then I realized Witwatersrand is the place to go, because not only am I going to be closer, but there's also an advantage should I need something umili ukon. One thing that I did not like though, umamncane, why is she being, why abasiri ukuthi uyahamba, because they asked her when are you leaving, then she says she's leaving first thing in the morning on Monday. But umamncane ubasiri, I understand ukuthi why abasiri, and understand, like okay, you got your way, she is not going to Cape Town, but you still becoming Siri again. Why? And understand again, I mean, I think now you are just being selfish and you are being unreasonable, because as it is, you were supposed to be kumele ujabule ujule, but no, you just want to make unnecessary drama. Speaking of drama, umyeni kaPetunia decided to go and toy a hotel bakwethu, as if being demoted was not enough. Athi lalela mphakathi, let's go hit the ground running. Let's go to the hotel and toy that we don't want uJackson. Aw bandla nkosi yami, it does not rain, it pours nama cupcakes. Aw! Athi let us go there. We toy. And he was doing, and then Martha was frustrated, disturbing the customers and banging a problem. And then Martha was like, Petunia, tell your husband to stop. Petunia was not even about that life. She was so not bothered. And I think this zizomnela my strike is pela, because Petunia she was not bothered that her husband is misbehaving emsebenzini wakhe, and she was not even trying to accuse the husband. Oh Nkosi yami. Knowing the kind of person that Umatha is, she is going to pin all of this to Petunia, and Petunia has to pay one way or the other. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming to my channel on a daily basis and watch, comment, and like. I really appreciate that on a daily basis.
It's so funny how Umata thinks everything ingalungiswa ngocansi, like in her mind. She can just slip her way to anything that she wants to. And times have changed. People are looking for money. People are looking for wealth. People are looking to rebuild their generational wealth, and so on and so forth. Not everything is about ucansi. Not everything is about, you know, othi kulo mlisa, I really don't want to lose a hotel lam, but is there anything that we can do? Athi umlisa unayo 10 million, athi cha anginayo. This came from a conversation that they had no Jackson. So Jackson uhambise ihotel as isibambiso ukuthi, if I don't pay up, here is the hotel. Now sebayalwa manje, sebashayana ngamagama, because omunye uthi, you know what, if I will tell you the hotel back, you and I are done, and we're going to be done in a very dirty way, because I am not going to allow you to take everything away from me, because leli hotel angalisebenzela kanzima. It was not even easy for me to get it. So I'm not going to lose it just like that. Which means that now Jackson is stuck between a rock and a very, very hard place. Which means Guti, the only option that he has is what? Yebo, you understand? The only same person that I've been telling you about, because he has been trying to make phone calls. Other people, when he just say, oh, my old friend, this is Jackson Mkhize, they hang up. So nobody wants to touch him. Actually, I think he's been blacklisted in the market, because no one wants to touch him, no one wants to speak to him. Everyone is just nowhere to be found. Then he even issued some threats saying, you know what? If you guys are trying to be snacks, Gimina, Gizo, make sure that I don't go down alone. I know the hotels that you bought. I know the casino that you bought. I know about this and that. And I'm like, yeah, talks, lies, and all lies, and nobody gonna listen to you. On some more interesting news though, Usakile is to be announced the mayor of Emnyamin. Kodwa ndinewari, guys. I don't know if I'm the only one who is seeing this.
Jackson was corrupt to the core. I'm sure at the beginning, as he was a new broom, he was sweeping nicely. But now here comes Usakile, who is Ntandokazi of the community. And obviously, I know that he's going uzongena ngamawala, trying to fix this and that, trying to put people first. But is he gonna last in that position of trying to put people first? Or is he gonna be rotten as well? Because Jackson would say, you know what, I'm gonna remember this day. Yamadoda ayiphelile Sakila, athi Sakila, of course, you must remember how the mighty have fallen. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima Dekwana, Sanbonan, Abshin, Molweni, Minjani, Hipokile Hingongwina. So namuhla kana kwa hina ikumakurush last time sekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Kayise, it's a bittersweet end. She's leaving to varsity and it looks like gunalando man, and now she's waiting for Umatha to come. Matha is not coming. Matha is wrapped up with all this hotel wanathengiswa wena ntontoni. Now Mamncane says, you know, Matha did indicate ukuthi uzoza. I think she was lying. Well, just from how everything unfolded, for me, I think she was lying. She was just trying to make ukuthi umntwana angahambi aphathekile kabi. Says no, I think uMatha ungifonele yazi ngikhohliwe athi ungikutshela ukuthi uzoza. Let me just try and call her again. And this is when she goes to the room, try to call Matha, and Matha was not answering until she decided to pick up the phone. And on her pickup, the first word that she said, please, I'm busy. Angiyekele, there are things that I'm trying to sort out. And I'm not saying that whatever you're calling me about is not important, but I've got more important issues that I'm dealing with right now. To Mamncane again, what could be more important than seeing your daughter going to a university today? Because ukulindile, everybody else ukulindile. It's just like, yeah, I know that's important, but yeah, I can't be in two places at once. But at the end of the day, she decided ukuthi afike, and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho kwahlanza inhliziyo kaKayise, and she felt good, and she was happy that umawakhe at least made it on time. Ambone seyahamba bayakhuleka lapha kuyavaleliswana ke bese bayahamba, and it looks like everything is going well. However, umamncane, you can tell ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe iwufisa ngathi kube ukayise akahambi, but then I think that is just a selfish view, or maybe it's coming from a motherly point of view ukuthi umntana mishemo ngiyafisa ukuthi angahlelwi anything that is bad. Ubaba wakho umfundisi ushilo ukuthi mafika phambili ngane yami uyiphathe kahle, ungazitholi usebafaneni utya iziyobisi, ubhizi uzosibuyela no degree. But uyacela ungabuyi nengane, ubuye no degree lo simcelile. Okay, sharp. Then on the other hand ke uSekhile uyangena ubona uMr Mayor uyathutha, and uPetunia prior to that witnessed a conversation where they were saying uSekhile the mom offer a position yokuthi abe uMr Mayor. Now uPetunia was so excited athi yabona kizo zonke izinto emhlabeni, this is the one opportunity that you cannot miss. Now imagine, I'm just like thinking how this is going to play out when Petunia's husband becomes the mayor and then she's working at Matha's hotel. Is she going to continue working there? I mean, nanoma asebenza uzosebenza kanjani, because knowing ukuthi indoda yakhe ithathele indoda kaMatha umsebenzi. Even though that he didn't, the daughter didn't take, but then the community chose him. But for the mere fact ukuthi indoda kaMatha iyehliswe esihlalweni, that would not sit well with her. So obviously she's going to sabotage. For me, I foresee a lot of sabotage, just to make sure ukuthi kuproveke ukuthi lo muntu enimkhethile naye akazi fokol. Mina, I was the one that was doing the best here, and I'm the only person ongayibambi intambo. That is what I see. Anywho, siyoke sibone ke ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hayi ke uThini guyzini, uThini ulale noThimo nganitshela ngathi ngicela nibuyise iapology yami because I did not lie. I never lied. I know that Tiny's pants are loose. and then uTim uTiny uthi, so angisho uTiny uxoshiwe, and then uTim comes and visits, and they were trying to have a conversation, and then uTiny was like, how yini? It's like ufuna ukungidla nje. Athi uTim, yebo kayi-1 ngiyakukhalela. And then uTiny was like, no, you need to leave, I can't do this. And then when she's done chasing uTim, she was grateful, but at the same time uyamkhalelani, umkhalela enye into engakaze ibone. And I'm like, okay, well, I don't trust you. I think tomorrow uyomudla nangamazinyo. Like, I just don't trust ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukuzibamba, because now endlini bebathi, hawu Tiny kani wena umuntu onjani, every time is a married man, every time. So now probably she was just feeling better about that, and she was like trying to change izinto and do the right thing. I don't trust that it's gonna last forever, because nje akusumuntu engimbonayo ahlukana namadoda wabantu. Anywho, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Please do leave me a comment and a big thumbs up. Unfortunately for this week, that's all we have captured, but you are the star of the show. Thank you so much for watching my video.